In this chapter, you will learn how a student can create a response in ePEARL. Starting from the My Readings page, let's select Mini Detective again. Then, select the tab marked Response. It will change from green to red to show the student which area she is working in. As you can see in Jackie's response, she answered the question by scanning and attaching a drawing, as well as writing her thoughts. I liked the way the author wrote about Chloe because she is like me. To create a response to another reading, a student clicks on the green X to go back to the My Readings page. If a student wanted to write a response for The Little Red Hen version 2, she can click on this reading and select the Response tab. Once the student finishes reading, she may click on the blue pencil to edit response and answer embedded questions about the text she read. These standard questions are mainly about the characters, setting, and the author. The only place a student can edit on this page is the response boxes. To guide students' reading responses, ePEARL provides several questions in this drop-down menu. A student can also choose to have the question read aloud by selecting the box next to the green musical note. This option can also be turned off. The student selects the question and then clicks Add to save it. A student can also create a question by typing it in the box and clicking Add to save it. A question can be deleted if a student chooses not to answer it by clicking on the red X. In the box labeled My Thoughts, students can respond to a reading by writing, attaching a file, or recording their thoughts. This shows different ways of presenting their learning. For more information on attaching or recording a file, please see the chapter dedicated to this topic. Once a student finishes writing, she clicks on the green check mark to save at the bottom of the page. Now she will see all of the information in view-only mode. From here, she can always choose to edit or close it. If she clicks on Close, she will return to the My Readings page. Now it's your turn. Print out this chapter and practice using the My Response feature.